Hi everyone, I want to go over part B of the week 3 lab to give you a little heads up on how to start debugging your applications. Essentially I'm going to give you answers for 1 through 3 for free, so if you're actually watching these videos you get a free point here. Let me run the application real quick. So I've opened up the solution that you should be downloading off of Blackboard, Exercise 5, Future Value. And all I did was load it up and run the application. And here we're seeing this is the Future Value Calculator. You're making a monthly investment and you're selecting a dollar amount. You have an annual interest rate, and here we see it's 3% over a number of years, and you hit calculate, and bam, you get an amount, $7,004.54. Remember to start saving for retirement early. So we're going to go ahead and close this. And what we want to do is set a breakpoint. So here we see a number 2. We want to set a breakpoint at the best point for determining the month number and future value each time through the loop. So we know, first off, we're calculating this most likely in the code behind. So we're going to open up the code behind real quick here. Pin the output. I'll make this a little easier to read. And you got to figure out, okay, where are we doing this? So most likely guess here, calculate future value. Okay, that sounds pretty good. And we want to know the best point for determining the month number and future value each time through the loop. So for number 2, we're setting a breakpoint. What line would you set the breakpoint at? So we need months. That's going to be represented as I in this loop. We go from 0 to the limit on months. And you would think at first glance you would set your breakpoint here at line 42, because line 42 says future value equals an equation. It seems logical, but that's not where you want to set it. Again, at line 42, we're breaking at the line, which means future value here hasn't been determined yet. Future value is actually from the last iteration of this for loop. So the most logical point is not the right point. What we should do is actually break after. So let's go to line 44. And by breaking at line 44, we've done the evaluation of future value for this iteration of the loop. So we'll go ahead and start this up. Hit the calculate button. And now we've kicked in here. Make this bigger for you. So right now we're at month 0. So we do that, we put our mouse over, our cursor over I, and we see, we put our cursor over future value. We go ahead and log that. Now we want the value for the first month. Go back here, see month 1, 5, and 10. So go ahead and hit continue. All right, now I is 1. Excellent. So you take down 1, and the future value is 100.37531,250. Go ahead and round that up, write that down, and then we can go ahead and hit continue. Or if you're feeling like you want to use your keyboard, hit F5. All right, now we're at 2, don't care, 3, 4, 5, excellent. So now we're at month 5, take that down, and then go ahead and iterate to 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're at month 10, you can go ahead and take that down. So here 10, and then a future value of 558.32. So that's how to go through the first part. of this assignment, and if you have any other questions, you can always post them to the discussion board, or you can shoot me an email. But hopefully, also remember, take a screenshot of what you just did and put it in your zip file for the week. Good luck on the assignment.